And now, your East Texas Storm Team forecast.
Checking in now on our forecast with meteorologist Andrew Samet. Looking like we could be having some rough weather moving to the area on Thursday.
Yeah, we're going to have a couple of storm systems moving in over the course of this week. One of them bringing a small severe weather threat Wednesday. The second one bringing a greater severe weather risk for the day on Thursday. Here's a look at right now with clouds and radar. There's been some fog in deep East Texas this morning and some low-hanging clouds. Those are continuing to fade away, and now temperatures are going to jump quickly in these deep East Texas areas that have seen the cloud cover. So it's 64 in Nacogdoches, 67 in Lufkin right now, and 64 in Hemphill. But with the clouds decreasing, temperatures should jump up pretty quickly here. Like what we have right now in our northern areas. It's 11:15 and it's already 75 degrees in Tyler. That's already warmer than the high temperature yesterday. So we have another warm day in store for us. But with this warmer weather comes severe weather. And today we're in the clear. No severe weather concerns. In fact, it's going to be a beautiful afternoon. I would get outside and enjoy it. But we do have a risk for severe weather Wednesday afternoon through the early evening hours, especially in this slight risk area, level 2 out of 5, which means a few strong to severe thunderstorms possible. And then a marginal risk level 1, which means an isolated severe storm cannot be ruled out. Bottom line, widespread severe weather not expected for Wednesday. But here's a look at the severe weather threats between 12 p.m. and 7 p.m. Wednesday. Damaging wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour. The primary concern, followed by quarter-sized hail. The hail could be slightly larger in some of the stronger storms than that, but the tornado threat is going to be low for the day on Wednesday. Now for Thursday, we get round number 2, and this will be a greater severe weather threat. We have an enhanced risk, level 3 out of 5 from the Storm Prediction Center, which means that scattered to numerous severe thunderstorms are possible out there. Now here's a breakdown of Thursday's severe weather threats. Damaging wind gusts in excess of 70 miles per hour is the primary concern. We could be talking about category 1 force hurricane wind gusts potentially in some of the stronger storms. So damaging winds would not be anything to play around with on Thursday. Make sure to even take those severe thunderstorm warnings seriously. But tornadoes also cannot be entirely ruled out, along with large hail, especially if isolated supercells can develop out ahead of the main line of showers and storms. Now here's what Futurecast has for the remainder of this afternoon. We're dry and sunny with high temperatures in the low to middle 80s out there. We'll see the clouds increasing tonight, temperatures staying mild and muggy. We may see a shower or storm clip our northwesternmost areas Wednesday morning. Those storms will be below severe limits, but can't rule out some small hail with them. And then as we head into your afternoon, Wednesday, we will see the first of the more stronger thunderstorms start to develop, especially north of Interstate 30. And then by around 6, 7 o'clock, those storms are already out of here. So Wednesday, again, the threat is very conditional. Most of us will be in the clear. I would not be surprised if we even get through Wednesday without any severe weather warnings, but we'll definitely can't rule it out. Now, heading into Thursday by the afternoon, we'll see the isolated cells developing out ahead of the main line of storms that will push through the area, and we will track that line as it crosses through East Texas. Interestingly enough, Futurecast weakens this line. Unfortunately, I don't think that will happen because of how much instability in the air there will be and how much wind shear as well, but it's certainly not out of the question, and we'll hope that does occur. But for today, we are going to see a mix of clouds and sunshine, temperatures climbing to the low to middle 80s, and then for tonight, we are going to see those temperatures drop down to the mid 60s with increasing cloud cover. As we take a look at your 7-day forecast now, we are going to see that severe threat for the day on Thursday into Thursday night, and then much colder for the day on Friday, and then we'll warm things back up as we head into this weekend. For deep East Texas, it is more of the same. Look for that severe weather threat late Thursday into Thursday night, and then we'll be dry and cooler to start the weekend with a warm up into next week. For your latest weather forecast, you can go on over to our website. That is KETK.com.